How are you? I am also fine. Thank you very much. You are present in my class and you are feel very nervous situation at the part of coronavirus, and this is the class, and this class you will obey the rules and regulation of COVID-19. Understand? You wearing mask, everyone wearing mask, and follow the distance, head distance 3 meters. Understand? Now I shall discuss in your class. The class is very interesting for you. When you do a sentence, the sentence is complete sentence. Understand? But when I write on the blackboard half of the sentence, at that time the sentence will not complete. Understand? Suppose understand, I write here, it is all kinds of incomplete sentence. Now in your class I shall discuss a fantastic subject. The subject name is completing sentence. What type of sentence? Complete. I write here incomplete sentence and you will complete to your khata. Understand? What type I shall do the complete? If I do the complete of this sentence, I follow conditional word. I follow conditional word. If I use here if. Understand? If is called a conditional word. If is called a conditional word, and it is a incomplete sentence. It is a incomplete sentence. Now I complete the sentence, and you will write in your khata. Understand? So at first I write here structure. Subject plus V1 plus object extension. And next I write here, subject plus here object with plus V1 plus object extension. Just to follow the structure. Here I write if. Here I write if plus subject plus verb 1 plus object of the extension, and next subject plus shall object with plus verb 1 plus object of the extension. Now I write here if Now I write here if plus subject you. Here is subject you. Understand? And next beyond. Come is called here beyond. Understand? It is half of the sentence. Now I complete the sentence. At first you follow the structure. Here is subject. Understand? Here is subject. If you come, then subject I write here I. If you come, I. Next here, shall of the queen. So I shall go there. Understand? I shall go there. The sentence will really complete now. Understand? If is a conditional word and use subject and come is called here beyond. And next I complete the sentence. Subject I, shall, auxiliary verb, and go, main verb, and there is called here extension. Understand? Now I write here another sentence, and you will follow the structure again. If it rains, it is a conditional sentence. If it rains, it is all kinds of conditional sentence, and it is an incomplete sentence. Now we are completing that. Understand? Now we are completing that. At first you follow the structure. If and next it is called here subject. Understand? It's called here subject. And next range is called here beyond. Range is called here beyond. Understand? So how we can complete the sentence? If I complete the sentence, then we must follow here the structure. Understand? At first we follow the structure. Here is subject, and you will thinking what kinds of subject you will use here. What kinds of subject you will use here. So we may write here we. And we is called here subject. Understand? We is called here subject. And what type of word I write here after subject? We follow the structure. Share of the will. So I write here will. Will is called here auxiliary verb. It is a auxiliary verb, and we is called here. What is this? We is called here subject, and will here auxiliary verb, and follow the structure. Subject, here of the will. I write here will. Next I write verb. Next I write here verb. Verb. What type of form? The verb is present form. Verb present form. Understand? Verb present form. Get. This word here beyond. Get weight. Get weight. If it rains, we will get wet. You will write dust your khata. All are in my class. You take down your khata and write the sentence properly. Now I shall give you an incomplete sentence and you will complete the sentence. Now I shall if you study hard, is it a complete sentence? It is incomplete sentence. Not that it is incomplete sentence. So you complete the sentence now. All are complete the sentence now. Thank you very much. I think that you are all are do very easily the sentence, and I think that you will complete the sentence. So at first, now I try and you will follow the blackboard. Now I try and you will follow. At first I write here subject. If you study hard, then you will pass. If you study hard, what is study? What is study? What is study? Do you know? Study is ব্যাখ্যা করা পড়াশোনা. Understand? So if you study hard, after you will pass the SSC examination, class 9 examination. So if you study hard, you there is subject, you, and next a auxiliary verb will. You will pass. You will pass. Pass the exam. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Understand? And invite me, if you invite me, here is follow the blackboard. If is conditional verb. If is conditional verb. And next, you is called here subject. Subject. And next, invite. Invite means beyond. Yes, beyond. Beyond. And me object. Object. Just follow the instruction. Here is if and subject here you. Subject here you. And object here verb here invite. And it is called verb present form. Understand? Verb present form, past form and past participle. Verb present form and past form and past participle. V1 and V2 and V3. So, if is a conditional verb and next you is here subject and invite beyond. Understand? And me is called here object. And it is called a complete sentence. Is it a complete sentence? No, it is incomplete sentence. It is incomplete sentence. So we are now complete the sentence. So at first I write here. What type of what? Subject. If you invite me, if you invite me, what is invite? Huh? So if you invite me, what type of what here? Invite means no. Invite means nimantron. If you invite me, then I shall go there. Then I shall be happy. Understand? Then I shall be very glad to you. Understand? If you invite me, subject I, next subject and I doing. Be very glad. Just follow the blackboard. Here is subject and you is called here auxiliary verb and be beyond. And next, very glad is called here extension. Understand? I write on the blackboard another sentence and I feel that you will do the job happily. If you join the party, if you join the party, What means joint? Be very happy. Thank you very much. I think that all are understand such kind of class, and you will do some sentences next class. Now I shall give you some important sentence, some important incomplete sentence, and you will write to your khata. Now, understand? You will write to your khata. If our uncle arrives, you will write in your khata. If our uncle arrives, understand? If you know this, if you invite me, if I do the job, here I am giving you some incomplete sentences, understand, and you will write to your khata next day, understand. Thank you very much all are, and next class I will see you again. Thank you very much.